Hello, I am Asmi Rajban and I am going to present my project MedSync. First, let's understand the problem that is currently being faced. So, in any emergency situations, the patients they are mostly redirected to the nearby hospitals without knowing its current capacity. So, this may lead to the overcrowd of the emergency rooms. It might also happen that the patient they have to wait for a long duration, which can be delayed in their critical care. While some other nearby hospital, they still have available beds. So, due to the lack of real-time hospital coordination, it results into the inefficient resource usage and the poor patient outcomes. So, here come the MedSync, which try to solve this problem. So, MedSync is a backend system that continuously monitors the hospital status, and it will automatically route the patient to the nearby hospitals, or we can say to the best hospital based on the certain criteria such as how many available beds are present in the hospital, for how much duration the patient may have to wait, the required specialty that the patient requires, the severity of the patient, and the distance of the patient to the hospital. Also, this system it generates a human readable explanation so that it is easy to understand why this particular hospital has been assigned to the patient. So this is the architecture. So first when the patient request comes, it is handled by the Triage API. In this, the patient will give their distance, the severity, and the specialty that they require. This API it will trigger an event which is the patient requested, which will be handled by the route engine. So this route engine it is the brain of the system. So what this engine does, it will read the current hospital status, and then it will try to find the best hospital based on the available beds, and based on the distance, the specialty, and the severity, and then it will store the assignment to the state storage. Also, it will emit a patient assigned event that will generate the explanation for why a particular hospital has been selected. Then, using the assignment API, we can check the details as well as the explanations. Also, using the hospital API, we can get all the available hospital current status. In this system, using the cron jobs, after every 30 seconds, the hospital status get updated. So in this system, the tech stack that has been used, so for the programming languages, I have used TypeScript, and Mocha Workbench has been used for using the cron jobs, the events, the steps. Now let us move to the demonstration of this project. So when the system gets starts, I will be redirected to this link. So when the system starts, initially it will check in the Mocha storage if there is any hospital detail present or not. If there is no detail present, then initially the 30 hospital records will be stored to the Mocha storage. Then here I can see the workflow. First we have Triage API that will handle the request, and then it can route the patient that will check the hospital data and then assign the best hospitals, and also it will generate the explanation. So here we can see 30 hospital data has been stored to the Mocha storage. Now we can move forward to the seeing the. So here I can put the latitude and longitude. This will take the location, the severity. So let's say here I have put 2, and then the specialty that I have required. Then I will send the request. So this API will generate a patient ID, the message, and just a trace ID. So here a patient ID is required so that we can further check what assignment has been done. So using this patient ID, I will use the assignment API. Then I will paste the patient ID over here and send. So now I can get based on the for this patient the hospital 1 has been assigned, and the patient severity was 2, and the distance was 0.03 kilometers. The patient doesn't have to wait for the long duration, and here we will get the explanation that was handled by the explanation generator. So it will show why that particular hospital has been selected. So based on the distance, the estimated time, there were this free ICU beds and free general beds. The patient condition was not that served, so they don't have to, and also there is a lower wait time. Also, based on the also using the hospital API, we can check all the available hospital details. So these are all the available hospitals. Also, in Mocha we can see after every 30 seconds we will get the updated hospital status. So this was the entire overview and demonstration of my project. Thank you.